We have a Allegiant MD-80 coming in for a landing right here. It came from Orlando, Stanford. And then over there we have a 737-800 Sun Country. Came from Minneapolis. Focus. Something else just landed. There he goes. There he goes. And now we're gonna watch the Sun Country go. And it's not focusing again, it's focusing on the fence. There we go. We were here at the to see watch some of the air show planes land. We watched an F-18 land. We saw the Sun Country land, and I also got some images of the F-18 Super Hornet that's parked on the other side. I'll edit this in iMovie so that way you guys can see the pictures I have of the Super Hornet. The Allegiant's already taxiing down here. I was hoping that some of the military jets over there will get out for maneuvers for the air show. My house is right in the flight path for the runway for Toledo. So I was there and I was outside and I had watched an F-35 land and an F-22 land here. There he goes, he got clearance to take off. There he goes. I love that sound. There he goes. See, I don't know if I could get any footage of him pulling up over there. There's a bus. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Don't turn on your music.
I'm not.
Because it's
Yeah, I think it's Prometica.
Yeah, that's Prometica. There's Prometicas.
Yeah, green, green, green.
Even though they don't have the green, they don't have the money.
Yeah. They do, just not in the right places.
Did you hear how much in debt they are?